Application of Zigbee microwave sensor. Ceiling mount Zigbee 3.0 microwave sensor supports intelligent linkage with Zigbee devices. Sensitive microwaves can detect subtle human motion effectively. Suitable for installation in corridors and warehouses, making life smarter and more energy efficient. Network connection and parameter setting. After Zigbee gateway is added, press the match key of the microwave sensor twice. Indicator fast flashes means we've entered smart config mode. By then, the device can be found in the app. The app will switch to the sensor operation interface after the device is added. Motion detection sensitivity is divided into low, middle and high grades, corresponding 3 grades of detection area: height times diameter, 6 times 10 meters, 15 times 10 meters, 20 times 10 meters. 5 grades of light sensitivity are optional, which are 400 lux, 250 lux, 50 lux, 30 lux, 10 lux from day to night. When the detected ambient brightness value is higher than the chosen value, the sensor does not output commands. The light on hold time can be set from 5 seconds to 1 hour. Linkage is to set the devices that need linkage upon trigger of sensor. Intelligent linkage setting. For example, to link constant voltage dimming and dual color LED controller. Tap linkage. Add tap to run. Add conditions. Select when device status changes. Select microwave sensor. Select human motion detected from induction state submenu. Add tasks. Select dimming LED controller among the devices. Select on-off function. Select on. Next, select dual color LED controller. Set in the same way. Then add new tap to run. Set the condition to be that none motion is detected by the sensor. Set the task to be that the controllers turn off the light. After setting is done, the controllers will turn on the lights upon detection of subtle motion by the sensor. The controllers will turn off the lights when the preset hold time is up if no motion detected anymore. Advanced usage. The sensor supports 0, 1 to 10 volt signal output and 4 amp AC relay output. Get the parameters set in the app. In the areas where RF signal interference is serious, the 0, 1 to 10 volts dimmable drivers or common lamps can be operated by way of wiring. Application notice. 1. When the sensor is installed in space surrounded by metal, the microwave signal will be reflected and cause the light stay on. Please reduce the detection area to solve the problems. 2. Make sure there are no fans, DC motors, or other vibrating objects in installation area. Their movement will trigger the sensor as well.